Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial from Tamjida Prova. Today I will show you how to create a marble texture in Photoshop. At first, open Photoshop and create a new document. I'm going to start with a 1200 by 1200 pixel canvas in portrait mode with the resolution of 72 pixel per inch. Make sure the background is set to white and click Create to continue. We are going to create a marble texture from scratch using Photoshop filters. Before we get started, set your colors to the default option by pressing on the default foreground and background colors button or by pressing D on the keyboard. Also, double-click on the background layer to unlock it. The first filter we need to use is Difference Clouds. So go to Filter, then Render and click on Difference Clouds. You are gonna see this kind of cloudy effect. Now we need to go back and apply that same Difference Clouds filter one more time. Anytime you apply a filter, the last filter you use is gonna be right here at the top. So we just need to click on that to apply it again. You can apply the filter as many times as you need until you get the desired effect, but for today's work, we need these vein kind of lines on our canvas. Once we get the effect we are happy with, we need to come up here to Image, then Adjustments, and then go all the way down to Equalize. This is just gonna give us a higher contrast between the darks and the lights. After that, we need to go again to Image, then click on Adjustments, then Levels. Move this arrow from the middle almost all the way to left. We will get very distinct lines here, and that's what we are looking for. Press OK to apply it. The next step is to duplicate this layer. To do that, hold the Option or Alt key and drag that down. Or right-click on the existing layer and select Duplicate Layer. We will make some adjustments to the top layer. The first thing we are going to do is change the blending mode from normal to screen. Now we have got very distinct lines, but that's not marble looks like naturally. So what we need to do is, with the top layer selected, go to Edit, then Transform, and we will rotate 90° clockwise. Now we have got something which looks very much like marble. Now select both layers, right-click on them, and choose Merge Layers. So now we have just one layer, and this is going to be our base layer. From this base layer, there are several things we can do to customize the marble texture. Now I will show you how to change the colors of this texture. The easiest way to change the color of this marble texture is by adding an adjustment layer. So go to the bottom of the layer panel and choose Solid Colors from the adjustment. Select any color of your choice, and then we need to change the blending mode from normal to screen. This will change the veins from black to whatever color you have selected. Now, if we want to change the background color, we need to add another solid color layer. I'm choosing this sky blue color. And this time we need to change the blending mode from normal to multiply. It's my personal preference. If you want to change the background color, then use a lighter color. And if you want to change the color of the veins, then use a darker color. But of course, you can use any color of your choice and see what works best for your projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, give your valuable feedback, and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day. Bye.